Deep, deep in the whispering woods, nestled in the cozy caves, lived a dragon named Sparky. Now, Sparky loved to sleep. Oh, how he loved to sleep. But there was just one tiny, enormous problem. Sparky's snores. Snore! They shook the trees. "Oh dear," chirped a little squirrel, scampering up a tree. "My acorns are falling." Even the wise old owl, perched on his highest branch, would shake his head. "Hoo-hoo, that's Sparky," he'd hoot. "He certainly has a way with dreams." The forest friends decided they had to do something. First, the squirrel tried to cover Sparky's nose with a giant leaf. "Hee, that won't work," whispered the bunny. It didn't. Then a tiny, brave butterfly fluttered close, closer than anyone else dared. It saw something amazing. With every snore, Sparky wasn't just snoring, he was blowing out tiny, magical dream dust. The dream dust drifted through the forest, making flowers glow even brighter and helping all the animals have the happiest dreams. "His snores aren't a problem," whispered the squirrel, yawning happily. "They're a gift." And from that day on, whenever Sparky snored, the forest knew it was time for sweet, wonderful dreams. The secret of the sleepy dragon's snore was simply pure magic.